Hey everyone, in today's video of how to, we're going to make Rice Krispie treats. You're going to need 6 cups of Rice Krispies. You're going to need a package of marshmallows, 3 tablespoons of butter, and then you're going to need a microwavable bowl, a measuring cup, a 13 by 9 pan, some wax paper, and I'm going to be making mine in the shape of Mickey Mouse. So I have a Mickey Mouse cookie cutter. So the first thing I'm going to do is add my marshmallows into my microwavable safe bowl. And then what I've done is I've cut my 3 tablespoons of butter into 2 slices. And I'm going to put those each in the microwavable safe bowl. Then I'm going to set my microwave to 3 minutes. And I'm going to put my mixture in the microwave. I'm also going to be using a spatula. This is going to be to mix up the marshmallow and the butter in the microwavable safe bowl. And when there's 1 minute on the clock left, I'm going to do that. So there's a minute left on the clock, and I'm going to mix up the butter and marshmallow. And there's 1 more minute left, so I'm going to put it back in the microwave. While my mixture is in the microwave for another 30 seconds, I'm going to quickly butter the bottom of my baking pan. Then I'm going to put my marshmallows in. Now that that's done and the pan is buttered, I'm going to add my Rice Krispies to the mixture. And I'm going to mix them in. And you're going to want to use 6 cups of Rice Krispies. You can use the store brand. You can use the organic brands. It's really up to you. And you're just going to keep mixing till the marshmallows are mixed in with the Rice Krispies. Once that is done, you're going to put them in a pan. Remember that pan has already been pre-buttered so that the Rice Krispies don't stick. Now that we've mixed our Rice Krispies in with the marshmallow and butter, we're going to put that into our 13 by 9 baking pan that has been pre-buttered. And I'm going to have to pause this for a second because I can't do this one-handed. So be able to get most of the mixture out of the bowl and put it in the pan. And what you're going to do is you're going to smooth it all out with your spatula. I also like to butter my spatula so it's not sticking to the Rice Krispie treats as much. Okay, now what I'm going to do is try and flatten it out as best as I can, and I'm going to let it cool. Once this mixture cools, you can let it sit on the counter, you can put it in the refrigerator, it's up to you, but I like to leave it out on the counter and let it just cool down. And once that's done, we can make our Mickey Mouse shaped Rice Krispie treats. Rice Krispie treats are set. We're going to make the little Mickey Mouse shapes using the Mickey Mouse cookie cutter that I got from Walt Disney World. After our Rice Krispie treat has set, I use the cookie cutter to make Mickey Mouse shaped Rice Krispie treats. And all you do is you press it down into the Rice Krispie treat and pull around the edges. And there you have it.